This is Honglong from Honglong Wuxia, and today we are out here going over the next section of Tai Chi 24 Basics. Today we will be going over Fair Maiden Works the Shuttles, or the Virgin Works the Shuttles, or one of 30 different other names, but that is the section we will be going over today. So let's get at it, shall we? All right, buddy. Last time we finished up with Golden Rooster stands on one leg. So from there, we're going to set down into the broken burner and holding ball. We're going to step out diagonally to the left as we raise the left hand and we press with the right. And once we finish from here, we're going to come back up into a high cat, holding ball and broken bird, step out to the right at about a 45-degree angle and press. And then back up to our horse. And then back up to a high cat, broken bird, step, and press. Let's do that a few more times. From here, set down, turn, step out, and press. Up, turn, step out, and press. All right. Now, for the breathing, you're going to want to be breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Breathing in. Breathing out. Let's the reverse angle. Now for this one, when you're stepping out, it's a very high one. You're not gonna ever get to do this one and get down there like this. It's gonna be more like this. And you're not going to be spreading like a normal bow stance. You spread your legs like this. For this, you're gonna be kind of high. It's more like a jade ring stance than a bow stance. All right, and in general, when you're going through this form and you're doing the bow stance, you never want to step out too far, like so that when you're moving forward, it's not easy. So if you're having to jerk forward and you can't move like that, if you have to go, you have to do something like that, then you're stepping out too far. You should make sure it should be the entire form that you're doing during the posture. It should be flowing. So if you're winding up doing some jerky motions, then try and shorten your stances, raise them up a little bit until you get stronger. Until you're strong enough to do deeper, wider stance. I'm laughing because that's about the 50th time I'm going through that sentence. All right. That's it for today. I hope everybody liked it. If so, make sure you hit the button down below, share and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. And as always, keep practicing.